Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make Midjourney image move. So have you ever created an amazing image on Midjourney and thought, wow, this would look incredible if it could move? Well, this good news is you can make Midjourney images move, and it's easier than you actually think. So I'll show you exactly how to animate your Midjourney images using a simple external app that's actually connected to the Midjourney ecosystem. Whether you want subtle movement, eye blinks, or full cinematic planning, these tools lets you bring still art to life in just a few clicks. You won't need to install heavy software or be an animation expert, just a few steps and you will be turning your stills into stunning motion visuals. So this magic happens through a partner app which is called Wiggle that works alongside Midjourney. It's either linked directly into the Discord workflow or used as a follow-up tool for Midjourney users. So I'll show you how does this work. So at first you just have to simply go to the browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser of your choice. Once you're on the browser, you just have to simply search for Midjourney. Once you get the result, click onto the first link and you will be onto its website. Once you get there, now you have to click onto your name, which is at the left bottom of the page, and you will see the option for go to Discord. Simply click onto it, and after that it will open the Discord server where you just have to simply connect it. After that, it will take you to the Midjourney server where what you have to do is you have to go to your Midjourney board or wherever you have created the images that we will turn into videos. I have already created this image that I will animate, but in case you don't have the image and you want to create it, then you first have to give it a prompt for the image. Once the image gets created, then you can use it. So for that you have to press the forward slash and then write imagine and select this prompt. And after that you just have to simply give it a prompt like explain your idea, whatever you would like to create, maybe any sort of image, cartoon, a man, realistic image, or whatever you like. Type it here, give other instructions like aspect ratio, resolution, quality, background, or whatever comes to your mind. Just simply explain it and just simply start creating. And once your image gets created, then I'll show you how you can make it move, like how you can animate it. Right now I have already created an image that I'm going to use, but you can just simply create the image first, then you can use it. So as you can see, this is the image that I want to animate. Once you have the image, you have to put your cursor and you will see these options that comes on the picture. You have to click onto it. Then you have to select this first option, which is animate, and then you get two options, send and customize. If you click on send, it will automatically create a video random prompt, and in customization you give it a demand. So once you send it, it will take around 5 to 6 minutes to create it, and it shows you that you are in the queue and it will take some time. This is actually done by the Wiggle, which is a third party app but integrated into Midjourney, so you don't have to worry, it does it work. Now it has been sent, so I'll show you how easily you can customize it. So again, go to the image, click on that icon, click on animate and click on customize. And after that a prompt section will open where you have to give it a prompt. It could be anything, whatever you prefer to add into your motion. In the background, we have three options, white, green, and from template. You can choose as per your choice. And then again, just simply send it. And after that, it will create something related to what command you have given to it. Now the images has been sent to create, but this will take time around 5 to 6 minutes, so we just have to wait, and once they have created, I'll show you how the motion is doing. So here you can see the videos has been created and this is how they appear. So I'll play it and you will see how it looks. So this is the image and it has generated a random video based on the prompt that I have not given. It has already generated it, and you can see that it has used the same face and the body type from the image and created this video. And this is the second one, and this is what it has created based on my prompt. You can see the picture is now moving. So that's how the motion or the animation on images works. You can also try it through the way I have shown you. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.